Hey guys, my name is Shashank and welcome to my channel. So today we will going to review one of the guitar called Taylor 314CE made in USA. So this guitar particularly I was looking for a very long time. I always wanted to buy one of the Taylor guitar because why not? Since I've been playing for a pretty long time, so I guess this is now the right time to have a pretty high-end guitar. So, without any further ado, let's unbox this wonderful guitar. Okay, guys, so I have finally unpacked, and here we go. What do we have? We have a very beautiful case right over here. So, usually, all Taylor guitars come with a case, and this is the first time I am going to open this with all of you. This is the first time I am seeing this. So, behold. Okay, let's see. One, two, three, four. Okay, I think that's it. Right, here we go. Wow, look at that. Very good build-up quality over here. So velvet color foam usually protects the guitar. So nice. Okay, guys. So here we are after unboxing. So this is my Taylor 314CE. Now, what can I say? It's a pretty gorgeous guitar, first of all. Very nice finish, I must say. When I pick up this guitar, the first impression which struck me was that it is really lightweighted. I didn't expected this to be this lightweighted. This is seriously lighter than my previous guitar, Fender CD60. Now let me start about the tone wood of this guitar. The tone wood is pretty solid, and the top is fully solid. It's made of solid spruce, and about the back and the side, it is made up of this wood called sapel. It's a cross between mahogany and ebony, you can say. And so the quality about sapel is it gives a little bit more warmer sound than the mahogany, which is suitable for any kind of playing from fingerstyle, to bluegrass or folk. Now about the pickup system, that's really impressive because this is pretty different. Usually in most of the guitars, you will see that the pickup system will be right over here, but here you don't have any equalizer. You just have this three knobs, which is for mids, highs, and bass. And this is also known as expression system 2, which is a patented Taylor pickup system, which is pretty unique. And about the action is very low, which is actually good for me, good for my playing, because I never liked higher action because it's very hard to play, first of all. And this is pretty good for me since like I play fingerstyle guitar and like flat picking things and stuff. And about the tuning pegs, those are very comfortable. Like when you are just rotating it, it's a pretty slim and smooth. And what more should I say? Oh yes, the last thing. Yes, the smell. The smell is pretty damn good. So without further ado, let's see how it sounds.